So this is going to be a demonstration video of the operation of the Heraeus magnet lifter. We've got our 5 cylinders stacked in a row, tight, touching side by side. As far as the operation of the lifter goes, it's on the easy arm slide handle, follows the motion of your hand. For attach and release, it's binary control, meaning you press once and it goes into the attach state. You press again and it goes into the opposite state, which would be the release state here. We have a magnet state indicator. It is this red and green roto link. So red is release, green stands for grip. So the magnets are in a grip state right now. So to attach, you come down, the guides align the magnets where they need to be. I hit attach, raise, transfer, and set back down. This is the anti-drop. I'm hitting release and it won't release. Now that I've set it down, I can release and then I'm up and off.